Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this hands-on video, I'll show you how to reset your network settings in Windows 11. So if you're dealing with network issues on your device or slow connections or just want to fresh start for your network configuration, resetting your network settings can help you resolve these problems. That's it, let's get started. So first off, you have to hit the start button and then choose settings to proceed. And then you have to click on the network and internet option. And after that, you have to scroll down to find advanced network settings and click on it. And under more settings, find the option called network reset. Then you have to click on network reset, and now you will see a message explaining what the reset will do on your device. This reset will remove all network adapters and reinstall them, setting network settings back to defaults. And then you have to click on the reset now option and confirm by selecting yes in the prompt. And once confirmed, Windows will initiate the reset process. It will prompt you to restart your computer to complete the reset. Now make sure to save any open work and then you have to restart. And after restarting, you will need to reconnect to Wi-Fi or Ethernet networks and enter any necessary passwords. Your network settings are now reset and issues should hopefully be resolved. And there you go. You have successfully reset your network settings in Windows 11. This can help you resolve connectivity issues or refresh your connection. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more such handy Windows tips and tricks. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.